What's going on, guys? It's Tox Open Spaces, and I'm back with a brand new video. This is a continuation to our tutorial series, all right, where I'm teaching you guys everything there is to know about Plain Jane, going through all the different settings and pages and features, so you guys have a full understanding of what's possible with this theme. All right, so right now we're looking at a blank page. This is how it's going to look when you first open up Plain Jane v3 or Plain Jane Interactive v2. Plain Jane Starter might look a little bit different, but if you're if you have Plain Jane or Interactive, this is how it's most likely going to look for you. So right now we see everything is bare. So if you look on your left hand side, we have our page canvas. We have the classic collection here, so you can click on this classic collection first. If you look to your right hand side, you'll see select a collection menu. All right, so what that means is you can, on the collection page, you can have a separate side menu. Say if you wanted to do, for example, like different categories of products, right? So you can select this. So we have our test menu from earlier, right? Say we wanted to have a separate menu just for this collection page only, like a shop menu. All right, and let me go and actually fill out the shop menu so you can have a better understanding of how to use this. So we're going to go back to our dashboard. We're going to go to content, click menus, and then go to our shop menu. So for example here, you change this to tops. I'm not going to worry about where it's linking to right now. Just trying to show you guys tops, bottoms. Oh, click the home page. Tops, bottoms. What else? Let's just do outerwear, and then link it to the home page again. Let's do footwear. I don't have any of these products in my store, but this is just to show an example or prove a point on what's possible with this. Let's just do accessories. Page. And let's say we'll do shorts. Link to the home page, and then maybe denim. Okay, link to the home page. And what I'm gonna do here is drag these under our bottoms, shorts and denim. Oh wait, I just want it under this. Oh wait, nope. There we go. So I'm gonna hit save. All right, and I'm gonna go back over to our customizer. Let me refresh this. Let me save. We have already, and then refresh. If you look to your left hand side, you'll be able to see all of our menu here that we just created. Okay, and if you click down on the bottom, you get denim and shorts. All right, so this is a separate menu you can put on just your collection page. And if you look in your top right, your global menu is still here. All right, so in our maybe our second video or so, or earlier in the series, we talked about getting started with your homepage and showing you the different homepage menus. This is essentially the compact menu, but it's also a global menu. So this is always going to be on your website. We go over here and look to the left hand side, and you click classic collection. You're going to be able to choose the different settings here. All right, so we have the date and time colors. You can choose to show it or not. Just click that so you guys can see. It's gone. You change the cart colors here. The collection menu itself, see this menu over here, you can change the position from the left side, or you can do the right side. So it's up to you. And you can also change the text alignment. So you can make this align to the right, or have everything be centered, or more to the left. All right, so there's that. You can increase the font size here or decrease it. The links, vertical spacing, you can make that really long. And notice how this is going off or beneath the footer here. Once we actually have products, this won't happen. You'll see in a little bit. We have the second level link vertical spacing. So that's when you click on bottoms, for example. If we click this here. Oh, let me refresh the page so we can see it. Hit save. Should be good now. Yep. So you see the second level link vertical spacing. If we move this, and then we click that again, hit save, then click. See how much space is in between now. So we even have third level link vertical spacing as well. So you can customize that as much as you want. We have our menu colors here. We change all the different menu colors. Then product titles, product prices. So right now we can't see these. We don't have any products. So let's save what we have right now. I'm gonna go over to back to our Shopify dashboard. All right, so we're back here. Let's say we're at home. We're gonna go to products. We're gonna click on actually here, products. Yeah, I'm gonna import a ton of products. I have like a CSV file already ready, and I'll be right back once this finishes. All right, guys, so I got my products imported. I have about, let's see, probably like 15 products in here now. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go to the collections tab over here. And we have one collection here. So what you're gonna wanna do is we're gonna change this collection and then we're gonna create some new ones, all right? So I'm gonna change this homepage one and I'm gonna call this one our tops. Okay, hit save, and then I'm gonna go in and for sort, I'm gonna click manually. This way, well, I'll show you in a second. And then I'm also gonna hit browse. So I'm gonna look through and just pick everyone's like a tops. This is more like outerwear. So I'm just gonna uncheck that one. So I'm gonna do these. So like a leotard or something. So it's like kind of, yeah. These are hoodies, I believe, and more tees. Okay, done. Actually, let me make these like, I'll remove these. Let me see. Remove. I'm gonna leave the rest. Okay, so these are tops. I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna create a brand new collection here. I'm gonna call this one bottoms. I'm gonna browse, choose anything that's considered bottoms, these two. I'm gonna make this manual. Let me click save. And setting it as manual is important so you can move them around easily. If you don't, this will, like if you do lowest price, it's going to sort itself and you don't have any control over the order that your products will be shown on your actual collection page. So if you do manual, the order you have these products lined up will be the same order is going to show on your actual collections page. All right, so I've seen a lot of people get tripped up by that. So that's a big one to try and remember. All right, so we did bottoms. Let's go back out. Let's create another collection. What else did we have? We had outerwear, right? So let's just add this one up here into outerwear. It's the only jacket I have here. Outerwear. Set this to manual, even though it's one product, just because. We're gonna go back. Let me refresh. See it pop up. Oh, there it goes. I'm gonna add one more. We don't have any footwear, so I'm gonna just do accessories and put those leotard things in accessories, even though they might be considered tops, or probably are, but whatever. Just for the sake of this video, we're gonna make them accessories, and we're gonna do it manual. And let's just let me save it first, and then let me. Oh, okay, yeah, I wanted this one first. So cool. So now if we go back to our customizer tab, I still have it open. There we go. See all of our products loaded in just like that. Let's see. So right now we're previewing the tops collection. So you see the order, how it is right now. Say you want to switch this order. All you have to do is go back to your collections here, go to tops, and then move this around. Oh, I didn't remove these. Hold on a second, let me see something. I meant to put these in the accessories. Let me just make that switch really quick. Okay, so I got that fixed. So now if you look here, you can change what you're previewing, which collection. So you can do tops or the accessories or the bottoms. Doesn't matter, whichever one. All right, so cool. So now if we click here on our classic collection, we can look at these settings like the product title. So see right here, show product titles. You can check that on. You can have your product titles here. You can change the size of them like this, or like the color if you want to make them all red or whatever color you want. You can do that as well. Same thing with the pricing, show product prices. And you can play with these settings as well. The price size, the comparison size, say like it's on sale. You can change the size of that comparison number. And then you can change the product price color and the compare price color. And of course, self-explanatory, like the different formatting, everything else. You may have noticed how this shirt here is like the text here, the title and the price is not aligned with everything else. And that has to do with the product image size. So when you're uploading your product images, you want to make sure they're all the same uniform size. So if they're all 1000 pixels by 1000 pixels, everything here will be even. But if you have some that are like 300 by 500 pixels, some that are more square, like 600 by 600 pixels, and it's just a variation of different sizes of photos, you're gonna have very inconsistent looking pricing. It's not gonna look as neat. All right, so you want to be mindful of that. If we keep on going down, we have the labels here, label font size on sale. So let me put something on sale here so you can see how that looks. Okay, so let's go back to our customizer, or no, our dashboard, not customizer, and let's do it with this product here. So we're gonna put this on sale. Let's see. So let's say we're putting on sale 50% off. So you put the price it is now, and then the comparison price where it was before is $100. So you want to do that and say for each size here. Just give me a moment to get through all of them. All right, cool. Now if we go back here and let's just save this page. You can now see that this product's on sale. You see the crossed out price here. You can edit all this stuff over here. So the size, label, or the label font size, you can increase it. It kind of makes it bigger here. You can change the background color. So you want it to be red instead, you can do that. And even the text color here. What did I just do? Oh, whoops. Come back. You change the text color. If you want like a cyan blue, you can do that. So next we have product frames. All right. So if you want like a just an outline to go over your product when you hover, you can just increase the thickness here and change the color. So now when we highlight over, you can see the different, or at least the outline around the product images. So you want this bigger, you can, let's put it like 5. See how thick that is. Very cool stuff. And then next, we have the product background radius. So if you change this edits like the curve. So see, you notice here how like it's starting to curve more now. Let me put it back to 0. So you have very sharp edges here when you hover. If you put it all the way up, you get those really rounded edges. So it's really preference. And then it's product background color. If you have PNGs, you can use this feature. So all your product images have to be PNGs for this to work. If they're not, it's just not going to work. So right now we have to make background transparent on. We turn this off and use this. Notice, see how all the backgrounds are now red. For this to happen, you have to make sure that you're uploading only transparent PNGs. And if that's the case, you can now change the color of all of your background images at will. If you want to be all transparent like before, you just click this and everything's transparent. Say if you have like a background image or a background video, you're probably gonna want to make this transparent. But for whatever reason, if you want to change the background, you can, using this to whatever you want. So very cool. Next we have the search and sort icons. That's these icons up here. You can have it on the right, you can have it in the center, or you can have it on the far left. You can change the colors for each. You can make this blue and make this one red. And you can swap the icons. Or you can hide them if you don't want to show them at all. It's up to you. But what they do is when you click on this filter one here, let me save this. Click on this, it brings up this draggable window. And when you click on these, it just resorts all of the products on the page by the lowest price, newest first, or A to Z order, or by featured. You can see them changing. This would update on the live site, and like see how this is highlighted, the featured. If I click newest first, this gray highlighting will move down here, but because we're in the customizer, not everything gets shown. But that's the way it would basically look like. So that's cool. Let me change this color back to black. I don't really like the way, I don't like that blue. Hit save again here. For the search functionality, you can click on this. You'll get this nice cool window that pops up, and the background blurs. You can type in whatever. I'm just type in product because all my products are named product. But in theory, you'd be able to type in hoodie or tee or pants or whatever, and it'll pop up like this. And once you click here, it takes you straight to the actual product page for that item. Just like that. So we go back. And what else here? You can customize all the different settings for the search bar. So like the background opacity, let's bring that up. So you can make it really, see how like the opacity is here. It's very strong. Oh, whoops, it's not showing. Sorry, you put it up there again, then hit save. Then pull this up. Notice how this is very white. If we move this down here, hit save, open it up again. See, now it's kind of transparent a little bit, where you can see through to like this beige top thing here. So that's what that does. You can change the search box background color. If you want to make this red even, you can do that. Hit save. Yep, just like that. And again, if you wanted this to be like a very like pure red, you just put all the way up to 1, hit save, and now you have that. Just a side note, if you ever notice that when you're making changes and you don't see anything, show up right away, just hit the save button, or refresh the screen and then try it again. It's just just some I guess cons when it comes to using the Shopify customizer. That happens from time to time. So yeah, you can look through all these settings and change everything that has to do with this form, or the search bar. Same thing with the sort menu. If I X this out, the sorting thing here. You can change all of the, like say, let's change this to purple, right? Hit save, and then now when you click on this, you have a purple header here. So I'll leave that to y'all to, play around with and make some really cool sites. But that's most of the settings for the classic collection here. Now next, if you want to bring back the old 2.0 collection page, you can do that as well. You're going to want to go to the sidebar collection. And then you're going to want to hide this classic collection, right? We just have this here. And there's different settings for this. So you click on it. Let me remove these. All right, so we click over here. Scrolling up here. So same deal, you can choose a menu that's gonna show up here. So let's choose our shop menu that we made. So everything's now here. You can change the sidebar position from the left to the right if you want. It's up to you. And then you can upload a skin. So it's basically like a background for the sidebar itself. You can change the sidebar to opacity. Maybe turn this down if you want to be a little bit more see-through. Enable fixed menu, enable sidebar, shadow. So if you want to see this little shadow here on the edge, you can do that. Enable fixed sidebar. It kind of like moves along with you as you scroll. See, notice how this moves with you. If you disable that, it stays up there at the top as you scroll down. Then we have the same date and time. Same sidebar links with the link vertical spacing, second level links, and all of that. Product titles, product price, labels again, same product frame, same product background, same thing with the search and sort icons and search bar, and sort menu and all of that stuff. So there's that. And I think that's about it. Yep, that's about it for the collection page. So you have between the classic collection and the sidebar collection. My personal favorite is this classic one because I think I just love this minimal look. Now it's it's just nice. But I leave it to you guys to get creative and make really cool sites. Be sure to post them up in the Discord. If you're not in our Discord, you should check your order confirmation email. You get an invite to our community. And we'd love to see what you guys are building over there. So till next time, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and yep, see you next time. Peace.